done, you can put them in the middle of your desk. All right? Any questions on agenda? All right, so I am going to hand out a half sheet of paper for warm-up. Okay, it looks like this. You're asked to determine if the two triangles are similar. If they are, write a similarity statement. Before I hand this out, can someone name to me one reason that makes two triangles similar or two polygons similar? Concept? I'm sorry, what? Angle. Oh yes, angle postulate, yep. So, but just in general, what criteria do the shapes need to meet in order to be similar? Stephen?
Corresponding angles are congruent, side lengths are proportional.
So one is all corresponding angles are congruent. And go ahead, Stephen, what's the second one?
Corresponding side lengths are proportional.
Awesome. Corresponding side lengths are proportional. Okay? And then as Kanza said, one of the postulates or theorems you may have learned was angle, right? So you're determining if the two triangles are similar, and then you're writing a similarity statement. This is different than a statement of proportionality. When you're writing a similarity statement, what do you have to make sure to remember? So for instance, if I were to name this triangle EAB, how would I name the larger triangle and why? So please raise your hand. Colt? Yeah, how come you started with D?
Because that's the, it's in the same, yeah, it's in the same position as the other one.
Yeah. D is a corresponding angle to E. Same position, different shape, right? Okay? So you're going to have 5 minutes to answer these 3 questions. Please make sure your name is on the top. Let me know if you have any questions. When you're done with the folders, you can just put them in the, you can make a pile in there. Did everyone get one? As you guys are working on this, I'm just going to come around and check your homework, so you could have it available. It'd be awesome. minutes, okay? That first one, you want to take a look at if they share an angle or not, okay? Maybe mark up your diagram, mark up the triangles, and then brainstorm some reasons why they might be similar. Do you have any trouble? Bye, have a nice weekend.
What? Bring me a shot. Don't cry.
Yeah, right, she's going to the
Send me a
play.
video.
Where's she going?
She's going to the play.
She came in
No, she's not even a shot.
Charlie, do you have any fun? I'm sorry, what?
I gotta get a shot too.
Very strict.
Oh.
One more minute. One more minute to finish this up.
I don't care.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay, if you could focus your attention back up onto the board, please. Okay, so everyone's listening. Let's hear from the fours. What did you determine that the two triangles in number one are similar? Sage says yes, and do you know why? Yeah, so she chose angle similarity postulate. Okay? So we have a smaller triangle within a larger one. Is everyone okay with that? So what two angles did you find to be congruent, Sage? So angle E to D, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And what was the other one?
Angle DAC and angle EAC.
Does everyone notice how she's naming this angle A here? DAB and angle DAC, right? So even though it's one angle, angle A, both triangles share it. Raise your hand please and tell me what property that is. What makes that angle congruent? Ben? Reflexive property. So before you saw where triangles would share one side, here they're sharing an angle. So we have, yes, they are similar because of AA. Awesome job, Sage. All right, let's hear from the sixes. What about number two? You can tell me how you marked it up, or if you found they were similar. Santi? Okay, so you said no, and you are correct. Anyone want to help them out why they're not similar? Henry, sorry.
I mean, the angles are not similar, so they can't be similar. Y is 45, and the corresponding one for Y would be M, and it's not 45, so it can't work.
It's 55. Yes, you're absolutely right. What about these two angles here?